What if I tell you that just by clicking a few buttons you can earn $5, $10, or even up to $20 repeatedly rolling into your wallet or account balance? This might not sound much, but once you know how to do it, it'll add up very quickly and they can end up into more than $200 or $300. Yep, I will teach you everything you need to know how to make your earnings double or triple profits only by clicking a few buttons. Make sure to watch every step and tips carefully so that you won't miss out any small but important details. But before we begin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel as well. Hit that notification bell button so that you will get notified whenever a new money-making video from our channel comes out. Also, share this to all your friends and family so that you and everyone else will know this great tip to earn money. If you have any questions, concerns, or opinions about the video, just leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Back to the video. First, go to enrollapp.com. And once you've reached the homepage, you'll see Let's Make the Web a Better Place. It's 100% legit company that is in high demand and popular in the industry right now, and it allows us to make money from home without the need for any technical skills or experience. Now pay close attention as I show you exactly how to start making money online right now. When you're on the Enroll app's homepage, click the green Sign In button on the right side of the screen and you'll be taken to a box where you'll need to enter your email address and password. It's a simple process, but I'd also recommend checking your email because if this is your first time signing up for a free account, you'll need to activate it by clicking the link sent to your email address. The mission progress data that you'll see on your Enroll app dashboard once you've logged in will track your progress every time you finish a mission. There's a little cow on the progress meter that starts on the left and moves forward to the right as you complete projects and missions. But here's the best part. It will give you extra cash prizes and bonus money, which is why I highly recommend this to beginners. Listen closely now because I'm gonna teach you a trick that can help you double or even triple your money. Excited? Well, it's a little secret trick that I discovered after working on this website, so keep watching and pay close attention so you don't miss anything. When you scroll down below on your Enroll app dashboard, you'll see the polls and how many polls you've answered. A poll is a question like the one below that you have to answer, and it shows how you stack up. Then you'll see the statistics, surveys, and polls of how many people answered yes and no in this question. You don't have to do anything in this question. It's important to answer every poll in order to earn money online. Also, the more you answer the polls, the more points you'll have. So from the start line, your little cow icon can reach the finish line of the progress missions and earn more bonus money, making it much easier for this website to find you suitable projects that fit your demographic. If you do another question, it will add up to the polls that you've answered. You can repeat the same question by clicking on the button between a yes or no and continuing. You will see in real time how many polls you've responded to. You can do this as many times as you like because there is no limit. Remember that the more questions you've answered or the more polls you've answered, the more money you'll make. You can do this on your phone if you don't have a computer, and it works anywhere in the world. It doesn't matter if you live in the United States, the United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, India, the Philippines, Europe, or any other country in the world. If you go to your dashboard and click on the achievements on the top, you'll be able to see your progress, as well as how many badges and points you have. You can also see what mission you're on. For example, your first mission says Earth. Now all you have to do is follow the instructions on how to take tests, answer the poll questions, and be active. For 30 days in a row, you'll need to complete a poll question for 5 minutes each day and complete your first mission as explained before. As you progress, the cow icon will move to the right until it reaches the finish line. And the more badges you earn, the more points and money you can earn on this website. You need to make sure that all your profile settings are updated and that your responses to these questions are kept private, so don't worry about it. When you log into your account, click the down arrow beside the profile icon and click Text Preferences. Once on the page of Text Preferences, it will tell you that you need to make sure that all your profile settings are up to date. If you're wondering why you need to select all 3 devices, the answer is that the more devices you choose, the more tests you can do, and the more polls you can answer, the more money you can make. You'll be asked when is the best time to take the test for testing availability. So I'd like you to choose the first option, which is to send me text as soon as possible so they can send you a lot more tasks and task notifications to your inbox. The more opportunities you have, the more money you can make, as well as checking the notification below about sending you an email when you qualify for a test and validating your phone number so that you can also send your SMS notification in addition to your email inbox whenever they have tests available and you're qualified to take them. Always keep in mind to follow all the settings to make more money on this website. Then you can go back and answer the full questions and repeat the process. I hope you can see how easy it is to make money online using this website by simply clicking a few buttons. I believe that anyone can do this. All you have to do is focus on your progress by completing all your missions, earning more points, badges, and seeing your progress go from $0 to $100. And that's it. And that is all for today. I hope you learned something from this video and that I was able to help you find a new way to earn money online. As always, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel as well. Ring that notification bell button so that you will get notified for our next videos. Stay tuned for our next video and I'll see you there.